Hello, this is Andrew from Smart Food Growing Technologies, SFG Tech, and I'm standing next to aspirant farmer Hlalefo. Hlalefo means the clever one in Sotho. Hlalefo has been donated 10 of our growing boxes, the Wickboxes, because he was showing great promise growing crops here at home. So we heard about the smart boxes that we have and asked for generosity on our side. And we have donated the boxes with some growing materials. That's the growing mix as well as some seedlings, and we are going to track the progress of Hlalefo. Hlalefo,
I wanted to say thank you to Mr. Tokoti Diza for giving me these seeds so I can plant and also share these vegetables with other families. And I'll post something every progress I made, even if the seeds germinate or what. And the day of the harvesting, I'll take a picture before I harvest them. And my plans for the future are like to keep on farming and help other families who don't have like vegetables to eat. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you.
so the growing medium, this stuff you see here, is a compost. This one is actually a vermicompost, so it's from worms. It's a highly productive, so it's a very good one to grow your crops. This over here is a square foot. In America they work with feet and yards. In South Africa we work with meters. And basically what you're seeing there is it's showing you how many seedlings or seeds goes in that square foot. So you go through the list. Now this is a pea. Okay, so now you need to look for, on the list over here, for peas. Okay, see the peas there? And it says how many plants? 8 plants per square. So it's 3, 3, 2. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you need to just make those holes a bit bigger. You get these out and you plant them in there. So try and gently, not hurt the roots. The roots are important. Okay, so you see that plug? Yeah, so we're getting them in and then we're making them nice and tight. So there's number 1. Okay, let's go for number 2.